Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you delete all of your photos from Google Photos. So guys, you cannot delete all of your photos from Google Photos at once. You need to select all of the photos to delete. So at first, just go to the Google Photos app. Now just select the photos that you want to delete. If you want to select all the photos, just select all the photos like this. I have a lot of photos, it may take a while to select all of it. I'm gonna show you by selecting only a few how to delete. I'm gonna delete this photo. Just hold on. After selecting a couple of photos, just click on the bottom delete option here. Now just click on allow. Here you can see the two photos has been deleted. If you want to delete the photo from your trash bin, just click on the bottom last option here, library, and click on the bin, the fourth option here, this one. Now you can delete these photos from your bin, or it will be deleted after 30 days like this, and click on bottom red option here, delete. You need to give permission to delete. Here you can see that two photos are permanently deleted. So guys, that's how you can delete your photos or all of your photos from Google Photos. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.